Today I'm showing you how to make keto bruschetta cheese crisps. Traditionally, bruschetta is an Italian appetizer that consists of grilled slices of bread rubbed with olive oil and garlic and topped with a delicious tomato mixture. Instead of bread, I'm substituting tasty grain-free cheese crisps for a low-carb twist. Come, let me show you how fast and easy they are to make. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description, and be sure to subscribe, like, and follow. And check out more of my videos for delicious recipes you can easily make at home. See you there.